Folks, listen up. It's 2025. We're living in an era where AI is evolving every single second. Every industry is transforming right before your eyes. And if you're not using AI to boost your affiliate marketing, you're falling behind. Big league. You see, affiliate marketing used to be complicated. You had to deal with messy funnels, design review pages, set up confusing email sequences, spend hours chasing traffic that barely converts. It was a nightmare, believe me. But now it's a whole new ballgame. Introducing Commission King, the world's first ChatGPT-5 powered affiliate automation tool. A truly unique solution built for winners. No coding, no designing, no wasting time, just pure automation and results. With Commission King, you get AI-generated review pages that convert cold traffic into commissions like magic. Pre-built funnels that are designed to sell, and sell big. Fully automated follow-up emails that nurture your leads while you sit back and watch your commissions roll in. And let me tell you, the pricing is absolutely fair. The agency license, reseller bundles, powerful OTOs, you name it. You don't need to break the bank or hire an army of people to get results anymore. But wait, there's more, because we don't just stop there. Free bonuses valued at over $997 are waiting for you. Exclusive strategies to dominate YouTube, advanced traffic blueprints, AI automation workflows, all ready to help you crush your competition. Click the link in bio now and claim them before they're gone. This is not for amateurs. It's for serious marketers who want to make real money, real fast, without the guesswork. Commission King handles the heavy lifting, proven funnels, retargeting, traffic automation, easy setup, all in one place. Folks, this is your opportunity to dominate the affiliate space in 2025. Want to know all about Commission King? Visit theproductoasis.com, search Commission King, or just follow the link in the description below this video. Believe me, you don't want to miss this.